Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to enhance your print. If you use BROTHER MFC, firstly you should open empty web server by opening your printer's IP address. If you don't know how to check your printer's IP address, you should watch our video about it. Then you should log in to empty web server. If you don't know where you can find the password from the web server, you should watch our video about it. Then click login, then scroll down here and find here general. And in general we should use print options, and here choose enhance print. Click OK on and click submit. Now your printer will use a little bit more inks, but the quality of printing will be so much better. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.